Realme has finally taken the wraps of its anticipated Realme 6 series. Both Realme 6 and the Realme 6 Pro have been launched with some top-of-the-line hardware such as a 90Hz display, a quad rear camera module and a beefy battery with fast charging support. We have got our hands on the retail box of the standard model. If we talk about its pricing, then the Realme 6 with 4GB RAM plus 64GB storage can be purchased at Rs 12,999, while the 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage variant will be available at Rs 14,999. There is another model with 8GB RAM and 128GB storage which will retail at Rs 15,999. In this video, we are doing a quick unboxing of the same. So, let's get started. So this is how the retail box of the Realme 6 looks like. At the back you will see some of the specifications are listed like the display quality, the 64 megapixel quad camera, the 4300 mAh battery and the processor details. Now when you open the box, the first thing that you will get over here are the user guides or the user manuals along with the soft TPU case. Now this soft TPU case is going to protect your device against accidental damages and scratches and will also allow you to showcase the design of the device. So the second thing that you will get over here is the main unit itself, which is the Realme 6 Pro. So this smartphone comes in two color options, that are the Comet White and the Comet Blue color options. So we have received the Comet White variant, which resembles a lot to the Realme XT. So you have the travel adapter or the charger over here, which is a 30-watt VOOC flash charger. So let me quickly finish the setup process so that I can show you the UI of this device. So this device is powered by the new Realme UI, which is the company's proprietary user interface, which is wrapped around the color Android 10 OS. So you can see that the rear panel is glossy and it is picking up fingerprints and smudges. At the rear you can see the quad camera module aligned vertically on the top left corner. Side mounted fingerprint scanner on the right. At the bottom you get the 3.5mm headphone jack along with the USB Type-C port, and on the left you get the volume keys along with the SIM card tray. So this is the settings tab of this device. You can see the processor details are listed over here. This device comes with the latest Android 10 OS, which is wrapped around the new Realme UI. So as I told you, this device is backed by a 4300 mAh battery, which is backed by 30-watt VOOC flash charging. At the rear you get a 64 megapixel primary sensor, which is paired along with an 8 megapixel wide-angle lens, a 2 megapixel sensor and another 2 megapixel sensor for bokeh shots. So you can record up to 4K videos using the Realme 6. That's all for now. If you want to stay updated with the latest happening around the tech industry, make sure you like, share and subscribe to Gizbosh YouTube channel. This is Sandeep signing off.